Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll all the way down to find About Phone, or actually About Tablet. Then let's scroll all the way down again to find a special number which is called build number, and now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter to confirm the whole step. That's normal, no worries. And after that we can go to this left section again and open the system. Here we've got developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can turn the option to don't keep activities at all. You can show view updates. You can set transparent navigation bar. Here you can show surface updates also. As you can see, we've got some options which are connected with the networking. We've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you wish to turn on something, simply tap on this switcher next to it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and now your device needs to be restarted. So just tap on restart, your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and the developer options will disappear from the system settings. I don't want to do it. However, the developer options won't be visible, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.